up, Tech Brothers? Spring is officially here, and it's time to ditch the winter sweats and level up your work wardrobe. But fear not, fellow coders and innovators, because today we're bringing you 8 stylish springtime tech bro outfits that are both comfortable and confident. Fit 1. The Minimalist Master. Let's kick things off with a classic, the Minimalist Master. This look is all about clean lines and effortless style. Start with a crisp white Oxford shirt. Iron it to perfection, because details matter. Tech Brothers pair it with dark wash slim fit chinos that hug your calves, but let you breathe, because sitting all day is real. For footwear, keep it clean with a pair of white sneakers. Bonus points if they have a pop of color on the sole. This outfit is perfect for those days when you need to focus on coding, not your outfit. Outfit 2. The Bomber Boss. Feeling a little more adventurous? Step up your game with the Bomber Boss look. Grab a bomber jacket in a cool, springtime color. Olive green, navy, or even a dusty rose can work. Bomber jackets are a great way to add a touch of personality without going overboard. Underneath, rock a black crewneck t-shirt for a casual vibe. Light blue ripped jeans add a touch of edge, and a pair of black Chelsea boots complete the look. This outfit is perfect for those client meetings where you want to show you're both creative and professional. Outfit 3. The Layered Legend. Spring weather can be fickle, so why not embrace the layers with the Layered Legend look? Start with a foundation of khaki chinos. These are a spring staple and offer unmatched versatility. Throw on a white Henley shirt for a touch of texture. Finally, layer on a light blue chambray shirt unbuttoned at the top. This adds a bit of visual interest and allows you to adjust to the temperature throughout the day. Finish it off with a pair of brown leather boat shoes for a touch of sophistication. This look is perfect for those brainstorming sessions where you need to be both comfortable and sharp. Outfit 4. The Tech Meets Texture. Let's get a little more playful with the Tech Meets Texture look. Ditch the plain t-shirt and grab a textured knit sweater in a neutral color like oatmeal or light gray. This adds a touch of visual interest without being too loud. Pair it with dark wash skinny jeans for a streamlined silhouette. White low-top sneakers keep the look clean and casual. Outfit 5. The Polished Programmer. Looking to impress that potential investor? The Polished Programmer look is for you. Elevate your game with a charcoal gray blazer. This is a timeless piece that instantly adds polish to any outfit. Choose a slim fit cut that flatters your build. Underneath, rock a light blue button-down shirt. Opt for a wrinkle-resistant fabric. Trust me, Tech Brothers, nobody wants to look like they slept in their clothes after a long night of coding. A pair of dark brown Chelsea boots complete the look. This outfit is perfect for presentations, important meetings, or any situation where you want to command respect and look sharp. There you have it, Tech Brothers, 8 stylish springtime outfits to help you conquer your workday. Remember, confidence is the ultimate accessory, so rock these looks with your own personal style. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech bro fashion tips and tricks.